into the hole. Go! No, no, no! You are aggressive, man. You're aggressive. Be careful. Okay.
Boss.
Okay. All right. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. You have insurance? Okay. So now, you do it again. But now, gents, you are given a microphone. What you need to do is to give the ladies some instructions. Why? Because we are going to blindfold the lady. Correct. That's the twist to it. Ladies will be blindfolded, and you have to give clear-cut instructions to your ladies so that they go into your hole. Okay? All right. So who do you want to go first? Is it couple number 1? Do you want to go? Do you want to have couple number 2? Or couple number 3? Looks like you're going again, man. Go ahead. Come forward. All right.
You sure hold that. Don't squeeze it.
Again, make sure you get clear-cut instructions, directions to the ladies. You know what? Let's make this even harder for them. Okay, folks. So when the guy says right, you say left. When the guy says left, you say right. Okay. So let's make it more interesting. Okay. You sure you want to do it that way? Yeah. There we go.
Don't move that. Don't move it.
Because that would be too high for the hole. All right, so get ready. At the count of 3, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah. 1, stop. 3, points downwards a little bit. Go to your the other side. Stay there. Go to your.
Speak to the microphone. Speak to the microphone.
Your left. Stop. Pointing down.
Push it! Push!
Pointing
Push!
down.
Push! Yes!
Keep going down. Keep pointing down. Keep pointing down. A little further. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, come forward. Walk towards me very slowly. Stop.
Push it!
Point down a little more. Go to your right. Stop. Come forward.
Don't move!
Stop. A little bit further down. You touch the roll. Stop. Come back up. A little bit more. A little bit up there. Stop. Back up. Okay, go to your right a little bit. Your right a little bit. Stop. A little bit down. Stop. Come forward. Walk forward. Stop. Come up a little bit. Come forward.
Thrust!
Very close. Stop. Your right a little bit. Stop. Down. Stop. Go. Stop. Your right a little bit. Stop there. Stop. Right a little bit. Stop. There. Go.
All right, what's the time?
1 minute and 24 seconds.
1 minute and 24 seconds. Give it up for couple number 3. Now let's move to the other side. Let's have couple number 1. Okay. All right. Again, time to beat is 1 minute 24 seconds, man. Make sure you get clear directions. Okay. All right. Here we go. All right. Inbound. 3, 2, 1, go!
Forward. To your left. Turn the stick to your left. There you go. Come forward. A little more to the left. A little down. To the left. Come forward. Straight forward. To your left. Straight forward. Down.
Don't move.
Right there.
Yeah, man. Obviously, you're the couple that didn't last the longest. All right, so what is the time?
19 seconds.
19 seconds! That's like a world record. Hey! That's right. Okay, here we go. 19 seconds is the time to beat, my friend. We'll see. All right, that's a tough time to beat, but who knows? Maybe you'll get this one. All right. Ready? Okay, at a count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go! Straight ahead to your right. Keep coming to your right. Keep coming to your right. Point right. Back up. Back up. Point to the right. There you go. Keep going. More to the right. To the right. Back up. Back up. To the right. There you go. To the right more. More. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Back up a little bit. Back up. Up a little bit. Down
Push
a little.
it.
To the left a little. Back. Up a little bit.
Yeah.
To the
Push it.
to the right. Here we go. Down.
Go.
That was pretty good. All right. And what is the time?
28 seconds.
28 seconds. Wow. That means this song still goes to couple number 1. All right. Okay. 3 in a row. Okay. We're gonna move on to your next challenge. This next one. Okay. We will prepare and set up a chair for you. This one is called the balloon pop. Okay. The balloon pop. Okay. So. Gents, follow Mark's lead. Ladies, you follow my lead, okay? Ladies, what you need to do is basically get a balloon from Beth, who will reload your balloon every time. There are 4 different ways that you need to pop this balloon. Alright, so first one, once you have the balloon, put it in between your legs. First one is called meet in the middle. Alright, you just meet in the middle. Alright, you walk, and meet in the middle. Between your bellies, and you pop the balloon. Alright, ladies, you go back. Reload your balloon. Put it in between your legs. This one is called, the next one is treat me like a king. That means, gents, you sit down. Ladies, you meet them over there. And you pop the balloon this way, or this way. Okay. Depends on your mood. You go back, reload your balloon. This next one is called the revenge. Gents, bend over. That's right. All right, meet your gentleman over up there. 2, 3, and you pop the balloon. And the last and you okay? Yes, boss. All right, the last and final one is called the bedroom. Gents, lay down. Ladies, between the legs. There we go. Walk. And you pop the balloon. Pop the balloon, okay? Alright. So the first one, this finishes this first. The best time wins, okay? Alright. Okay, get ready. Who do we want to see first? You know what? Because you're the ones who got the most points, we'll go with you first, yeah? Alright. Let's see. Again, reload that balloon, meet in the middle first, and then we'll talk you through the rest, okay? Get ready. You're holding on to that lemon like it's... Okay. All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Pop the balloon. Oh, ooh, wow. Okay, good. All right, treat me like a king. Treat me like a king. Go. Put the balloon on and jump. Revenge. Mark, tell us, what is the time?
56 seconds.
56 seconds! Woo. All right, couple number 2, 56 seconds is the time to beat. Okay, here we go. You got this, you got this. Again, 4 different ways. First is meet in the middle, and then we'll talk you through the rest. Okay? Get ready to count 3. 3, 2, 1, go! There's no balloon! Don't use your hands, don't use your hands! One more time, oi! One more time. Try again. Sit down, sit down, sit down. And jump! Wow! Revenge, it's no revenge, let's go. I'm worried about you. Oi! Mark, good to see you. What is that time?
For couple number 2, they got 57 seconds.
57! Let's move on to couple number 3. Number 3. Still 56 seconds is the time to beat. Yeah? Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, get ready. Alright? Count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go! For couple number 3?
Couple number 3, 1 minute and 17 seconds.
17 seconds. But please, a round of applause and go crazy for all your 3 lovely couples. But there can only be one perfect couple of the cruise. Now, folks, just like Newlywed or Not So Newlywed Game Show, we can go ahead and count the number of points and divide it by the number of drinks you have. You had all cruise long, but we can do it the simpler way. You've seen them perform in round 1, 2, and 3, yeah? And you probably have been entertained, and they've been very supportive about this. So, please cheer, hoot, and holler for all 3 of them, but a little louder for your favorite one, who you think deserved the perfect couple crowns. Is it couple number 1? Couple number 2? Or is it couple number 3? The crowd has spoken. The winner of your perfect couple game show is none other than couple number 1! Well, ladies and gentlemen, all of them will be receiving a prize courtesy of their cruise director staff and, of course, a bottle of
Nations, well over 50% of the world's gross domestic product.
In these 3 countries, that makes them unique. So do you think that they'll be able to succeed alone in the fight against militant insurgency within the Sahel region, considering the fact that these three countries bear the biggest brunt?
No, I don't think they are going to succeed alone. The fight against terrorism must be collective.
What are some of the serious consequences that ECOWAS is likely to face, and now with this breakaway?
The Western we need in Africa as a whole, and particularly in the West Africa sub-region, is to create any sense of separation and division. Whether it's at the social level in terms of social cohesion, whether it's at the political level, or whether it's at the economic level. If you travel from these Sahelian states, of the alliance of Sahelian states, to come into the rest of West Africa, you should obtain a visa. Which goes back to 19th century thinking. And vice versa, if any of the West African states wants to go to Mali, Burkina Faso, or Niger, they should obtain a visa. Now, try to imagine, my good sister, that at the continental level, we are pursuing the agenda of integration, the abolition of visas when we enter each other's country. And West Africa then becomes an example of retrogression and a total reversal. We need visas to travel to one another.
In Kenya, where at least one elderly person is killed every week in the name of witchcraft, BBC Africa Eye has investigated the true motives behind these brutal murders, revealing that many are targeted by their own families. Jerry Mwangi with that report.
Kenya's Kilifi Coast, a popular tourist destination, but there's a dark underbelly to this beautiful landscape. Attacks against those deemed witches are common across Africa, but here, at least one person is being killed a week in the name of witchcraft. Katana was attacked with a machete after being called a witch. He says he knows who did this to him, and now he lives in a rescue center with other survivors.
Mbona walikuita mchawi?
Alisema mimi nilimuua mtoto wake. Na mimi sijui mambo ya uchawi siyajui.
Like others, he suspects the real reason he was targeted was for his land.
Mimi kusema kweli shamba langu ni moja. Tuko kando ya ziwa. Lakini ndugu zangu binafsi ni ekari 6.
Shamba kubwa.
Shamba kubwa.
Land has increased in value on the coast, and people are going to extreme lengths to obtain it. This ex-hitman claims he's been paid to kill more than 20 innocent people branded as witches for as little as a few $100 each time.
Who organizes for the killings?
To our Broadway cabaret. I'm Kyle from London. Hi, I'm Ryan from Johannesburg, South Africa.
I'm Paige from Toronto, Ontario.
Jerica from Chicago, Illinois.
I'm from Sao Paulo, Brazil.
And I'm Jameson from Orlando, Florida.
And we are your production cast vocalists. This evening, we put together a variety of Broadway songs for you. Some familiar, others less so. So please, sit back, grab a drink, relax, and join us in where everybody can see. We got magic to do, just for you. We got miracle plays to play. We've got hearts to perform, hearts to warm, kings and things to take.
We were together without a spite. Friendly, he was so friendly. That is just like him. I'm simply stunned. Will wonders never cease? Will wonders never cease? It's been a most peculiar day. Will wonders never cease? Will wonders never cease? Oh, where was I? I'm so sorry about last night. Remember, we were together. You and I blocked last night someday. I sat there waiting in that cafe and never guessing that you were fat. Oh. That you were near. You were outside.
Now at 10 p.m. on July 8, 2024. Sunset. The moon. Today is July 9, 2024. The ship approaching Newfoundland, the island of Canada. So now is 7 a.m. in the morning. The ship will arrive there scheduled at 10 a.m. Now it's 7:45. The ship arrived St. John, Newfoundland of Canada.
And then this other building just appeared. It's like this land is not moving, but the stuff behind us.
The Signal Hill.
No.
Thank you. Okay. Signal Hill.
Where's the last stop to? Greenland. You're going to St. Pierre next, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to St. Pierre.
Cháu lại. Cháu lại. Thấy trước này thấy rồi trăm mấy em, trăm mấy năm hả? Qua đi đây thì
150.
Ồ. Go, 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 go.